Are you testing your washer and dryer in your new RV before you purchase it? Stay tuned to see what to look for. Hello everyone, it's Jason again with myrvresource.com. It's like the yellow pages for RV services. Today, bringing you another weekly one reason to get an RV inspection. And we are inspecting a 1-year-old Super C. Okay, 1 year old, it's 2022. I have found all kinds of leaks. I have found a slide out floor that has been replaced, and the slide out floor is already bad. 1-year-old RV, folks. But today we're going to talk about the washer and making sure you're running it before you purchase this RV, or at least having your RV inspector test that for you. If they do, make sure they do. If you're paying for that, you want what you're paying for. But today I go to run a cycle on this washing machine in here. We're all the way in the back here, right here. Splendid washing machine. Don't see any issues looking at it from here. Right? Seems to be running fine, all that. But while I'm running it, I have water dripping from below it. You can see some staining there on the wood. You can see where the laminate's coming loose and the wood is swelling here. And then it's all over the floor, all the way across the front of these cabinets and puddling into that corner. Let's see if we can get a little closer so you can see the nice little puddle we got going. So nice little puddle in there. RV's been PDI'd, folks. I've already found several leaks. Found a water pump that doesn't work. I have found a slide out floor that's been replaced once. It's got water damage already and needs to be replaced again. The wood under there is swelling. It is below the sidewall of the RV. It's splitting, all of that stuff. Not good. So an RV inspection can save you from that and the headaches of all of that, or allow you to negotiate to get a better price or to get things repaired before you purchase. So make sure your RV inspector is inspecting all of those things. Don't just hire somebody that says they do. Don't hire somebody that took an online course for 1 week and says he's an RV inspector. NRVIA certification, hands-on, several weeks. You know, we all help mentor each other. We're here to help you as the consumer get what you're paying for. So, weekly one reason to get an RV inspection. It's Jason, and you have a nice day.